In this video, we're going to be reviewing a platform that pays you for doing simple tasks. And on this platform, you can earn anything between $15 to $100 by simply taking tasks on the platform. In the past months, I've received a lot of messages from students that are looking for sites or looking for platforms that they can render their services and make money from. I've also received messages from people that have jobs that are working, but somehow the money is not enough and they have extra time, so they're looking for platforms where they can render their extra services to make money, while some others are just basically looking for platforms where they can make money from. So if you fit into any of this category, this platform is for you. What this platform basically does is connect you to companies that are looking for data that they can use to train their AI. And what you basically do is to render your services, render your skills, render your intellect. It is just like platforms like Outlier, OneFormer, Handshake, Lawyer.ai, and all of these platforms that I have made videos on in the past. If you check my past videos, you get the details. The only difference is that Outlier is not available to a lot of countries. And of course, you know that if you're in Nigeria, you cannot participate in Outlier. If you're in Ghana, you cannot participate in Handshake, OneFormer, and a lot of all these platforms. So this is where this one is different. This platform is called Mindrift AI, and it's available to a lot of countries. For you to participate in this platform, you don't need to have VPN, proxy, or all of those tools that people are using to bypass their location. All you basically need to have is a smartphone, your personal computer or laptop, and then have access to an internet connection and basically make sure you are able to read. Once you have this thing set in place, then you're good to go to start making money from this platform. And without wasting your time, let's head into the tutorial where I'm going to show you how the platform looks like, the jobs that are available on it, and how you can start taking tasks and start making money from this platform. This platform is called Mindrift.ai, and this is how it looks on my screen. In case you want to register, you can check the description box of this video. I'll have dropped the registration link there. Pick it and sign up on this platform. For those of you that are following me on X, if you're following me on X, my X account is currently Toniostech. So if you're following me there, you'll have seen that I drop the information there even before I make videos on it. So in case you want to stay in touch for my updates, even before videos come on it, make sure to go and follow me on X. Join my Telegram channel to stay in touch for updates. Now, this is how the platform looks like. What I want to first of all do is to either reject these cookies or allow all cookies. So let's basically go ahead and allow it, and this is how it is. Now, I want to scroll down to the bottom of the website, okay? You can access it with your mobile phone or your laptop. Anyone works. Although I prefer to use my laptop, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using my mobile phone so that I can show you how it looks like. Now, if you come down here, you can see these are currently the active projects on this Mindrift AI. As you can see, the first one here, this biology expert with Python. Yeah, so basically, if you're skilled in this area, you know Python programming, and you're an expert in biology, you can apply for this role and basically start taking. I'll show you how to apply, but let's first of all take a rollover of the tasks that are here. So if you know nothing about this, you can just simply scroll. But of course, if you know it, you're going to be paid $76 per hour. Now, if you go up here, this is currently brand designer. And as you can see in bracket, freelance or freelance visual identity specialist, blah, blah, blah. Now, this brand designer, I think it has something to do with graphic design. I'm not too sure because I have not looked this up, and this is not what I do. So in case, you can copy this and search it on the internet to basically understand what it's all about, or you can paste it in an AI to explain what that task is, and then you can go ahead and apply for it. If we scroll down again, you can see chemistry expert with Python. Just like this first one that requires you to be a biology expert with Python, this one is for chemistry. So if you're also a civil engineer, with Python, you can pick this and apply. Now, if you're a computer science or computer scientist expert with Python, yeah, you can do this one. And personally, I'm a computer science student, and I tend to know Python programming. So yeah, this one works for me. If you're also into data science, you can see you can apply here. So basically, you have to have a skill. What this platform basically is doing is taking this your skill, they use it to train AI. So basically, they connect you with the company that needs your skills, and then you give them the skills and blah, blah, blah. Now, if you scroll up, this should be available for everybody. Let's say in case you don't have any of these technical skills, of course, you know how to read and write English. So, but then you can see the pay is lesser than the other ones. So you can basically click on it and apply. And like I said, I'll show you how to apply, but let's take a walkover of the tasks that are available on it. If you scroll up again, you can see this is software engineer agent evaluation. This is graphics designer. Okay, yeah. This is where graphics design comes in. So you can decide to pick here if you're a graphics designer. But you graphic designers, your job is going extinct though, because if you see the amazing graphics that AI generates these days, and what this platform is even doing now is taking your skills. So when you decide to take this task, you want to make money on it, you start rendering them your services, you start designing graphics for them, and they pay you for it. At the end of the day, they use it to train AI and make AI better than you in the future. So basically, in the future, you won't have a job. So if you're into graphics designing, yeah, this is your last chance to make money from it. Go and start looking for another skill that you can upgrade with, or basically that about that. So if I should scroll up more, you can see integration developer. And to be honest, I don't know this, but it's worth reviewing anyways. Now, here is legal consultant, law student. This is where it's open for you, but basically you can see this one is US law. So if you study US law, you can basically do this. If you scroll up, you can see machine learning, and for the sake of the length of this video, I don't think I'll be going over all of these things. Let's just basically scroll up, and as you can see, this is how it is on my screen. Of course, you can always access this dashboard by picking the registration link from the description box of this video and going to it. Here you can see Vibe coding. You can see freelance web designer. Yeah, if you're a web designer, yeah. I also do web designing, so kind of this one suits me. So you see, you keep scrolling up and you see basically that about that. So this is just what the platform is all about. You click on it. But what you need to know is that the registration or the application is not that simple, as you can see it on my screen here. It's not as simple as that. And what I mean by that is, even if you want to register on platforms like Outlier, OneFormer, Handshake, and all of these platforms, you realize that whenever you sign up on it, they test you. They don't just go ahead and give you the job to start doing. They need to test you first, to test your knowledge, to see if you are eligible for these before they start giving you tasks. And this platform is not also different. This platform is going to test you, but I'm going to show you how to pass the test. So let's say you want to apply for any of this. You can simply click on the apply. And one thing I need to tell you about this platform is you're going to need a CV. You need a CV for you to apply. If you don't know how to get your CV, I don't know, but depending on what you want, you can let me know in the description box of this video, so that I'm going to make the other video showing you how to get your CV. Already, there are applications that allows you to do CV, applications like Canva. I think AI should even be able to design CV for you, but CV is not something difficult that you should not be able to do by yourself. But in case, if you want it to be faster, of course, there is nothing money cannot do. Look for somebody that's going to create your CV for you, pay the person, and they'll give you a good CV that you're going to be able to use on the platform. So that is basically about that. As you can see, this is my screen here. And you can see from the description, please submit your CV in English and indicate your level of English proficiency. So you can see, look at these are all the tasks. I can now click on apply for the job, and then this is where I get to fill in my personal details, my first name, my last name, my email, phone number, my address, and this is where you get to upload your CV and a cover letter. So that is basically that about that. But one thing I need to tell you, just like I said, after signing up on this platform and they review you successfully and they want to give you the job, like I said, they are going to test you. So one of the platforms they are going to use to test you the platforms are basically two. And one of the platforms they are most likely to use is either Brain Trust or Micro One. But mostly they will tend to want to give you Micro One platform to use, because I don't know, for some reason, Brain Trust tends to have issues at times. So I'm going to go through the Micro One right now, show you how the platform looks like. You can even take tests on the platform and get conversant with it, because what they're going to be using to test you is AI. I wonder why they'll be using AI to test human beings, but that is that about that. So they'll use AI to test you. If you're able to pass the AI, then congratulations, you've gotten the job, and you can start taking the job and start making money on it. So let's head into Micro One and show you what it looks like. As you can see in my Google, I have typed in Micro One AI, and when I scroll up, you can see this is it here. So what you want to do is to go to the platform, let it load up, and you can see, click on this get in touch. Then I'll basically have to fill in my name, details, and a lot of that. For the sake of the length of this video, I won't be filling that in. But if you need me to make a dedicated video for this platform, trust me, I'm gonna do that. So basically, what is going to happen is once you fill in your details, you're going to be taken to a page where you can take tests on the platform. So AI is going to be testing you. Now, one thing you want to do is don't over answer the AI. Of course, it's AI, and what you need to know is that at times AI do hallucinate. And by hallucination, I mean you can give it a prompt right now, and the more you keep prompting it in that same chat, when you get to the bottom somewhere, it tends to forget what you prompted it at the beginning and basically keeps turning you around. I know you don't understand what I just said right now, but don't worry about it. What you basically need to know is that don't overstress yourself. When they answer the question, answer straightforward and don't even over explain. If they ask A, give them A. Don't go and add extra like B or C or D, because depending on the answers you give them, that is how the AI is going to be throwing back questions to you. So you want to keep it simple, keep it short, and keep it straightforward. Once you go through this successfully, congratulations, you will now be in for the job and you're now ready to start making money on this platform. And of course, if you're subscribed to this to my YouTube channel and you're following me here, I'm still going to be dropping other platforms. There are a whole lot of other platforms. I think there are currently 8 platforms that I'm going to be making videos on one by one in my next video. And of course, you won't get that if you're not subscribed to this channel, if you've not turned on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So that is that about that. I'm going to see you in my next video.